Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is April 27, 2024, and it's my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the Russell 2000, that's IWM, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's zoom on in here on this quarter chart and see what's happening out here. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay, we still have we're going to have a red quarter because we only have a few more days left in this month. We are going to still be below our yearly R1. We are staying above pivot, which is good, and all. And maybe this just was a little pullback, but we do have a bearish pattern here on the Russell on this large time frame. We just at the beginning of the quarter, so it's way too early to say something is actually really happening and all at this time. But let's go down to the monthly chart and see what we see there and all, and let's zoom in a little bit here and see what we see. Again, this is a big red candle, but we came down to the 10 and just about kissed the 10 and bounced. That was a real nice reaction in the market, showing that the bulls are not dead yet and also, but let's see what happens here. But this is a bearish looking pattern here, a bearish engulfing. I like just looking at the bodies. This body is definitely engulfing that body. Again, on a high time frame, on a monthly time frame, and we are still below pivot. I would like to see in these next few days this market actually push up and get back above 200 and get maybe back above 205, get above pivot in 3 days. That's possible, but probably not likely. But we have to kind of just like wait and see, what happens there. Let's go ahead and go down to this weekly chart and see what we see there. Let's zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. And this is why I'm saying it can make it up there a little bit, and all, because right now on this weekly chart, what I'm seeing is a bullish harami at this time in the right location. After a pullback in the market, then we have a bullish harami with a higher low. That's what you would kind of expect on a bullish harami, and I remember, when we get down to the daily chart, we'll see, that on Monday this market looked like it was probably making a bottom. And the question is now on this weekly time frame is what we're going to be looking for, is see if this market can actually get back, above this previous red candle high, a close above that. That's what I like seeing first. Then we can go saying, okay, then we can go think it can attack these highs and get above this level here, But let's go ahead and take a quick look at the daily noise and see what we see there. Zoom on in here, zoom, 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 zoom. And this is the here, even on the Russell, look like on the Russell, Friday though, we did make a lower low and a lower high, but then come Monday, we actually gapped up and we haven't came back down and closed this gap yet. So we do have a gap here on the daily time frame, but this market, it is having a hard time getting above 200. I'll just use 200 as a round number and all. So, and as we can see here on these weekly pivots this past week, we did have a hard SVE pivots and all. We did have a hard time getting above this R1. But come next week, I do expect us to open above pivot and all. And again, this is why I say we might be able to break that, 200 level. But I'm still kind of shyly bullish, I'm playing my bullish stuff with future contracts and stuff like that. I'm just in and out real quick. Since I'm a bullish trader, I'm in and out real quick whenever I do see a nice little pullback and all. But I would like to see it get back above this level, then start attacking these tops. And down here, playing down here is really nice at this time because you do get some nice little pullbacks in the market But we need to get above these levels here, get out of this little range right here where this market can be really pretty volatile. And it's going to get kind of volatile once it gets near this top again and trying to make highs for the year. But that's what I see on the Russell, and that's it. I hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Subscribe, like. Let's see if we can get this thing to 500 this year. All right, talk to you later. Bye.